Hello, my name is Eric Notless, and I am a MD PhD student. I'm representing a team of researchers from the University of Michigan and Peers Health. I'll be giving you a brief video summary for our recent Journal of the American Medical Informatics Association article. This study is titled Dynamic Prediction of Work Status for Workers with Occupational Injuries. This study focuses on the field of occupational injuries. Occupational health professionals use return to work prediction models to help make treatment and staffing decisions. Return to work models currently ignore longitudinal observations and only use information that was collected around the time of a patient's injury. For example, demographic and injury mechanism information may be passed to a prediction model, which then estimates a return to work date. We sought to understand the value of longitudinal observations for the task of return to work prediction. Specifically, compared to models that only use information from around the time of injury, do we observe performance improvements with models that utilize longitudinal observations? We hypothesize that longitudinal data observations will improve the predictive performance. This is because we've seen improvements in other healthcare prediction tasks when we use longitudinal observations. We were granted access to a large retrospective workers' compensation claims dataset. We trained a proposed model that utilizes all longitudinal observations, and then we compared it to a baseline model that only used information collected around the time of patient injury. We assessed the daily performance of the models in terms of discrimination and calibration. In terms of discrimination, the proposed model outperformed the baseline model, as it had a significant increase in the AUROC. The proposed model also outperformed the original model in terms of calibration, with a significant decrease in the expected calibration error. So the big takeaway is that return to work prediction can significantly benefit from the incorporation of longitudinal observation information. Thank you for taking the time to learn about our study. If you are interested in learning more, please check out our new article in the Journal of the American Medical Informatics Association. In the article, you can find details on our approach utilizing recurrent neural networks. You can also find additional experiments focusing on simpler model architectures. Along with all this, you can find an overview and links to code that you can use to train models using longitudinal observations. Thank you.